Today I'm very honored to do a very special headlight job. It's a Chevy Silverado of the son of a client that I just finished doing their vehicles for last weekend, a couple weekends ago. This young man, he's special because, and he may correct me on the date, we'll find out when they come out, on June 15th he's headed to boot camp. So this one's very special because I'm doing the vehicle of a future serviceman, and rather than saying thank you for your service, I'm going to say thank you for the service that you are about to provide. I'm very humbled and honored to be able to do this particular job. I think it turned out great. We're going to get them out here. It's his dad, his girlfriend, and him. His name is Kaeleb, and I'm going to call them out. We're going to have some fun with this. Hang on. Was he late as always?
Yeah. Yes.
To be honest.
Alright, we'll wait for his, okay.
Come on, Tony, we're waiting for you. I don't think he's coming out. I'll go get him.
Alright.
No BB.
Yeah, he's got his PJs on.
Oh no.
Yes. Happy Memorial Day, everyone. Thank you for humoring me on this windy day. I'm all icky and sticky, but we're gonna do this anyway. So I'm here with a very special individual. Kaeleb, you want to kind of tell me briefly what's? I hear you're doing something pretty soon.
Oh yes. Go to San Diego for boot camp, the Marine Corps, on June 15th.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
Well, I would normally say thank you for your service, but now I'm going to say thank you for the service you're about to provide. And I'm very humbled and honored to be able to do this. It's definitely going to make it safer for you to drive at night. And I've already put the coating on, so the coating protects it for about up to a year.
Okay.
So this shouldn't, you know, the crap shouldn't come back for a little while. So,
Oh.
and a flying motorcyclist. All right, we have everything going on. Kaeleb, are you ready to see your headlight fixer-upper?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, let's do this. I'll let you have the honors, sir.
All right.
Yeah, pull the magnet off. Pull
the magnet off.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just
yeah.
pull it off that so you don't hit it again. And break.
Oh, that's way better.
Oh, that's a well difference.
Yeah,
Oh, it looks so good.
Bam. A little better, I think.
Yeah, they're really
That's
gross.
wild.
That's amazing. Isn't
Gnarly?
Isn't it?
Yeah. That looks
You
so
got
nice.
both your headlights working now.
Yeah.
Plus they're clean that you actually see.
Yes. I was going to ask you if you got that part repaired.
Oh, absolutely.
Right on.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Hey, you bet.
Very nice.
A little better? So now you can't kind of give them crap about it anymore?
Yes.
All right, we'll take it.
Thank you.
All right, I'm going to sign out, everybody. Thank you for humoring me.
You're welcome.